Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable some hidden and powerful settings in the latest iOS version to improve performance, battery life, privacy, and daily use on your iPhone. These settings are already on your phone. You just need to know where to find them. Let's get started. First, open the setting app, scroll down and tap accessibility. Now tap motion. Turn on motion, reduce motion. This reduces heavy animation and make your iPhone feel faster and smoother, especially when switching to apps. Go back to setting, tap the general, then tap background app refresh. Tap it again and choose Wi-Fi or off. This stops app for running in the background and helps save battery life. Now go to the setting, tap on battery, tap battery health and charging. Make sure optimized battery charging is turned on. This setting protects your battery and helps it last longer over time. Go back to the setting and tap privacy and security. Tap location services. Scroll down and choose app you don't use often. Set their location and while using the app or never. This improve privacy and reduce battery drain. Now go back to setting, tap display and brightness, turn on dark mode for better battery life and eye comfort. Then scroll down and tap accessibility, go to display and text size and turn on auto brightness. Your screen will now adjust automatically based on lighting. That's it. You have now just enabled some hidden but powerful settings in the latest iOS version on your iPhone. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.